question number 1. What is? There is a triangle like this. This is a triangle, right? This is B at 90 degree. This is A. This is C. So for this angle, this is base for C, and this is perpendicular. This is base for A, and this is perpendicular for A, right? And if you go angle C, so this is base for C, and this is base for perpendicular for A. Now what? From the given below, and it is given you, this is of
AC is equals to
3
3.
and this is 2. Okay, so calculate all 6 trigonometrical ratios for both acute angles. My God. Okay. So first, ABC is right angled triangle at vertex B, right? So what happens? By Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Hypotenuse is 3 का square, perpendicular से किसी को भी ले लो, से 2 का square plus b square. So this is 9 minus 4 is equal to b square. Therefore 5 is equal to b square, taking root over both sides. So we have b is equal to root 5. So this is root 5. Getting? Now sin A. Sin A is equal to perpendicular मतलब BC upon AC. It means 2/3 cos A is equal to AB upon AC. It becomes root 5 upon 3, and tan A is equal to how much? Tan A is equal to BC upon AB, right? So BC is 2 upon root 5. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you go for cosec A, then it is AC upon BC. It becomes 3/2. Sec A is equal to AC upon AB is equal to
3 by root 5.
3 by root 5 and cot A is equal to AB upon BC. So root 5 upon 2. You get this? This is for A. If we go for C, so sine C is equal to AB
Upon BC.
upon AC. This is for perpendicular for C. Right? So AB upon AC. So it becomes root 3 by 3. हाँ नहीं यार रूट 5 है
Root 5 by 3.
रूट 5 by 3 राइट और cos C is equal to BC upon AC. BC is
2.
2 upon 3 और tan C is how much? This is
AB upon BC.
AB upon BC is equal to root 5 upon 2. You get it?
Yes, sir.
Now what?
Sir, root हो गया हमें 66 लिखने था ना.
अब cosec C is equal to AC upon AB. So AC is 3 upon root 5. 3 upon root 5.
Yes, sir.
Sec C is equal to AC upon BC. So it becomes AC is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 and cot C is equal to BC upon AB. Yeah, bhai? BC
2 by root
upon
5.
AB. So it is
2 by root 5.
BC is how much? 2 by
Root 5.
2 by root 5. You get all trigonometrical ratios?
Yes, sir.
This is how we can do this. Done?
Yes, sir.
Up. Next.
Sir, दोनों साथ में हो गया है आंसर.
नहीं वो अलग that is the difference. Now you come to the question number 2 second. Right? Question number 2 second. Question number 2 second part. What is that? Second part, right? So there is a triangle like this, ABC. There is a triangle like this, A, B, this is A, this is B, this is C, right? there is a perpendicular, that is AD. There is perpendicular AD, right? AD. So this is angle Y. This is angle Y. So this is of 15 degree. Sorry, this is of 15. This is of 17. Right? So by Pythagoras theorem, 17 square minus 15 square is equal to DC square. Right? This is what? $289. 289 minus 225. How much? 64 is equal to DC square. Taking root over both sides. So DC is equal to 8. So this is 8. Right? Now it is given you. This is 15, this is 25. So this will be 25 whole square minus 15 whole square is equal to BD square. So it is 625 minus 225 is equal to BD square. So how much it is? 400 is equal to BD square. So root over. So BD is 20. So this is 20. Fine. Now, what do you have to find? This is angle.
5 sin x.
This is angle X. Right? So you have to find sin X.
5 sin x.
5 sin X. So 5 into sin X means
P by
perpendicular upon hypotenuse into 15 upon 25. 5 times 5 becomes 25 and 3 times 5 becomes 13. So it is 3. So sin X is equal to 3. You get it? Now what next is 7 10x. 7 10x.
Sir,
हाँ
ये 5 into 15 upon 25 था,
हाँ
5 हमने काटा 1 हुआ, वहाँ पे 5 हुआ 25 की जगह।
हाँ
तो 5 फिर कैसे कटा किससे?
फिर 15 से कट कर दिया ना।
अच्छा 15 5 is 15।
हाँ
अच्छा
ठीक है।
हाँ
Now you have 7 10x. 7 second part 7 10x. So it becomes 7 into
hypotenuse upon
10x. 10 means perpendicular upon base. So 15 upon 20. 3 by 4. 21 by 4. It becomes 5 whole 1 upon 4. Right? This is 7, right? Now we have the third one.
5 cos x minus 17 sin y minus tan x.
Yeah? 5
cos x
5 cos x
minus 17 sin y
17 sin y
minus tan x.
minus 10x. So 5 into cos x is what? Base upon hypotenuse.
Yes.
So 20 upon 25. Right? 5 times 5 becomes 25. 4 times 5 becomes 20. 4 minus 17. It is what? Sin y is how much?
B upon
This 15 upon 17. 15 upon
50,
no, 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 no.
25.
No. Sin y is this, na? So 8 upon 17. 8 upon 17 minus 10x is how much?
Tan x
Is
E by
10x is 15 upon 20. 15 upon 20. Is it?
Yes, sir.
This 7 and 7 is cancel out. So you get here 4 minus 8 minus 15 upon 20. This 4 minus 8 becomes minus 8 minus 4 minus 15 upon 20.
सर तो कट सकते हैं ना 15 by 20.
Alright, it is 3 by 4. So 4 you have taken as a common, it becomes 16 minus 3. It becomes minus 19 by 4. What is your answer?
Second. The first का है 3, दूसरे का 5 whole 1 by 4 और तीसरे का -4 whole 3 upon 4.
ये यहाँ पे हमने लिखा है ना minus 19 by 4.
Yes, sir.
तो इसको करोगे तो ये हो जाएगा -4 whole 3 by 4 when you further solve. You get this?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand what I did?